I have a question. I am a cancer patient. I have been fighting cancer for 5 years now. In 2016, I got sick, and my daughter had took me to a local hospital. They didn't give me a chance to see any doctor. They asked me what the problem was, and I explained to them, I've been sick, the chemo. I couldn't stop the nausea, so therefore I could not take my medicine. Within 2-3 minutes, Walton County comes in. Sheriff's Department comes in and tells me I have to leave the property, that I was begging for medicine. I tried to explain to them, no, I wasn't. I've got my medicine with me, can't take it because of the nausea. When they told me to leave, I came home, just kept suffering. Tried to go to my primary care doctor, couldn't go to him, couldn't go to no doctor because no doctor would see me. To make a long story short, I was arrested in 2016 for doctor shopping. They said they had video proof, they had audio proof. But after a year, they dropped all charges. During the year, I could not go and do any of my medical treatment, nothing, because of the charges. And it's been 4 years in November, and I'm trying to find out if there's anything legally I can do. I got an attorney at one time, and they took $500 and said they would get in touch with me. Last thing I heard, they wanted $35,000. And I'm trying to find out if I do got a good case, or just say I'm still alive. Yeah, I'm still fighting it bad, but I'm still here. I don't know what to do or what I could do.
Well, Gail, one issue in dealing with the limited facts we have there, if someone brings charges against you that do not have any legal merit, then there is potential tort recovery for that under what's called either a malicious prosecution, or depending on if they actually incarcerated for you for some period of time, a false imprisonment type scenario. And if those damages include potentially eliminating or minimizing the time that you could actually get treatment and recovery during that time period, that is a potential. But that would all depend upon the basis for the dropping of the charges and whether or not there was anything, because there's the government and the folks that bring those charges are given large grants of immunity, and they have a lot of leeway in that. With that, the statute of limitation on something like that would be quickly approaching in November. So I would highly recommend that you talk with someone sooner rather than later, because also if you're dealing with a government entity, potentially as a claimant or as someone that you're going to be pursuing, you will have to do what's called notice of claims, and there's a lot of municipal procedures that get involved in that. So time is short, and I would certainly encourage you to do that immediately.
Hopefully that answers your question, Gail.